Hey, what's up guys? Just want to do a quick review over this portable 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Bought this thing about a week and a half ago and I did an unboxing video kind of showing you what you get in here, but I used that 1.5 week to kind of use this quite a bit, put it to a test, try out all kinds of different things with it to see how it performed and whether or not you guys should actually get this product. And I can say straight off the bat, this thing has performed absolutely fantastic. It pretty much suits every needs that I would ever need for a product like this. You've got all kinds of different features. You can actually inflate, you can deflate, and you can actually vacuum with this, which is perfect to keep inside of my vehicle for inflating or deflating, you know, your blow up toys that you're taking on the lake, or if you want to clean out small, you know, cleaning out dust or, you know, crumbs or whatever you've got in the floor, you can quickly vacuum with this. It's got a washable filter, so you don't have to worry about replacing it all the time. Which is super nice, especially since, you know, after a while it's going to get dirty. You can just pop this out and clean it, which is super handy. I love that. But pretty much, if you didn't see the unboxing video, pretty much everything you get is right here. You get a 1 meter charging cord. So it's, you know, it's type A, so you need a brick, and then type C. Plugs into the bottom here. You've got an indicator light to show you that you're charging. Mine charged up in about an hour and a half, so it charges really quick. And as far as attachments goes, you've got this one here, which you can use to actually, you know, section right off here. It slots onto this one right here. And then if you wanted to have this brush attachment, which you could use for keyboards or whatever, you just slot that on there, and there you go. So you can use it to actually kind of, you know, agitate the dust and vacuum with it. So you've got that attachment. Well, that was actually two of them. Pop that in here. Let me make sure I secure it. And the way this locks on, it slots in there like that and locks in. So it, you know, it's not going to be coming off very easily. Another attachment, actually these next three attachments, and the way that this works, so the way I've done it, you unlock this and you flip it around. So air sucks in from this side, sucks in from this side and blows out this side. So if you want to use the option of blasting air out, so like, you know, blowing dust out from a keyboard or whatever, you're actually going to be attaching attachments on this side here, which is actually blowing air out. And so what you do is, for example here, this tube style here, it actually just pops in right there on the back side. So you can actually, as you can see on my skin, it is blowing out air that way, and it's sucking air in from this side. And if you wanted to have it filtered, I guess you could go ahead and slot this on there and you'd have filtered blown air. But I take it off. When I was blowing out my keyboard, I just took this off so that I could just get the least amount of resistance from this side and get the most force. But that's that attachment. This attachment is more precise, pretty much the same thing, just slots in here, and you've got a much more precise version of that exact same thing if you want to blow something more precisely you can. And then you've also got this one here, which is like a stubbier nozzle. So you've got that option as well. So got all kinds of different attachments for both sides of it. It's really great to have those options, and these are multiple different attachments. So this one's going to be what you use for blowing up your, you know, like blow up toys or whatever. You'd use something like this. I use this one to clean my keyboard out. So these two together, I can use this to get inside of my in between the keys and agitate the dust that gets in there to suck up the dust. This one could also be used for the bigger floaties. That's why it's such a short and big nozzle there. And I guess this one could be as well. I didn't use this for blowing that up. I just used this to blow out air, you know, for agitating or blowing out dust from in your keyboard or wherever really. You've got this option here, a longer version of it. So, but yeah, overall, this has been a great product. If you guys are looking for something that you can use for vacuuming, for blowing out air, or even inflating or doing whatever you need to, this is fantastic to keep inside of your vehicle. It's small, super small. I mean, look, this fits in the palm of your hand. It's super compact. You can keep this inside of a little compartment in your vehicle, and whenever you need to clean your vehicle, you can use that, or you can use it to inflate or deflate your blow-up toys. So, but yeah, if you guys are looking for one, I highly recommend you guys checking out this 3-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner.